While strolling along life highway, on that road somebody storm, I heard a voice from heaven saying, "You're standing out there alone." And I thought about King Jesus, then I folded up my arms, then I started out for heaven, whoa, and I stepped in and said, whoa, I'm standing in the sand.
Everyone has their path in life, and this is more or less where mine started. My name is Norbit Albert Rice, and I was an orphan. I like to think my parents loved me very much, but just didn't have the means to properly care for me. I can see them researching all the orphanages in the area, agonizing over their choices, trying to make sure their precious little boy was raised in the perfect environment.
Aye. Oh. Ling Ling! Someone left another one! Oh. Coyote, stop! Get back! Back, Coyote! Ah! Get out of here! Shoot! Do not eat another baby. You'll be here a long time. Nobody ever come and say, "Give me the ugly black one." You very ugly baby. Ugly baby ever seen.
A lot of people think that orphanages are cold and scary, but the Golden Wonton was a great place to grow up. We had everything normal children had. Pets.
Here. Play with that.
A big backyard, and lots of kids to play with.
Lily! My children got an MSG barrel. Now the hell gonna fall out again? You stupid orphan! Nobody want a bald orphan? Nobody! How you find family with no hair? Nobody want a bald nobody? What the hell is wrong with the children here?
Mr. Wong was a very interesting man. In addition to his love for children and preparation of fine Asian cuisine, he had a real passion for old-time whaling.
It's a whale home!